In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Notion's AI features to organize and summarize your project plans. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking to make the most of its intelligent tools, I'll guide you step by step to help you manage your projects more effectively, all on your PC. First, let's begin by opening Notion in your web browser or desktop app. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your account. If you already have Notion set up, this should be a breeze. Otherwise, just sign up and follow the prompts to get started. Now navigate to the project page you want to work on. If you don't already have a page dedicated to your project, you can create a new one by clicking on the New Page button in the sidebar. Give your page a clear and descriptive name so you can find it easily in the future. With your project page ready, click into an empty line within the page. Press the spacebar and you'll see Notion's AI box pop up. This little feature is incredibly handy for speeding up the planning process, as it lets you interact directly with Notion's AI. You're now ready to ask the AI for help. Type in a prompt such as, "Summarize this project plan and list action items with deadlines." Once you've written your prompt, hit enter. In a moment, Notion's AI will process your request and generate a summary, along with a clear list of tasks and deadlines based on your project content. This can save you a significant amount of time, especially if your project plan is long or complex. When you receive the AI-generated output, click the Keep button to insert it directly into your page. This lets you easily review or edit the summary and action items right there, keeping everything organized and in one central location. To get a clearer overview of your project tasks, let's add a linked database view. Simply type /linked into your page and select your existing tasks database from the menu that appears. If you don't have one set up, you may need to create a tasks database first. This linked view brings all your project-related tasks into one place, making it easy to track progress. With your tasks displayed, focus on organizing your database properties for better project management. Add properties such as status, priority, owner, and due date to your tasks database. These categories allow you to sort, filter, and assign tasks so everyone on your team knows what needs to be done and when. To take advantage of AI even further, create an AI autofill property. Click on the magic wand icon, usually labeled Fill with AI, and apply it to generate summaries or gather key details for new entries automatically. This feature helps you maintain consistency and saves valuable time by ensuring each new task is clearly described and easy to understand. That's it. By following these steps, you'll harness Notion's powerful AI tools to keep your projects streamlined and your team productive. Give these tips a try and see how much more efficient your project planning can become. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.